What does it mean to be human? Modern way of saying it, that you are an alien. You don't belong here. This is not your home. Accept that. Your father was Adam. Your mother was Eve. Your home is where there is no lies. Your home is where you wish to eat an apple. An apple is in your hands. Where your clothes are made up of light. They shine a million colors every moment. Where there is no tiredness, there is no sleep. You only sleep for the pleasure of it. Where there is joy, most importantly, where there is God, hosting you in that place. Where your only concern towards God is gratefulness. Where your humility doesn't generate any stress whatsoever. Where God has transformed your stressful humility into joy and pleasure. You may have noticed here as well that in certain states of deep humility you experience pleasure and joy. Where humility leads you to a state of being which is almost like 7 years old. You feel free and happy in the presence of your mother and father. Where you don't need to care for anything because they are there. That's how God is in heavens. That's your home. That is your home. You're only here as a test to know yourself. That's what it truly means to be a human. All the other meanings which people give to humanity are not my concern.